I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Projects. This week we're building a rock climbing staircase in the house. Decor in the stairwell is a bit dated. We've got some wood paneling and whatnot, so we're gonna tear that off.
Okay, here comes the ceiling. What's your head there? I love the demolition part.
Hey boys, come look at this. What do you got going? We might need ropes after all. Wow. Check it out.
Look at this.
Holy cow.
Junior made a great discovery today, and the project just went.
It opened up a giant cavern that had been closed off.
Now we've got this awesome vertical wall, and in my opinion, that's the way the build should go.
It's got to be 10, 12 feet.
17 feet from the top of the ceiling.
If you want to just tear this out, then we'll make a call. I can see it in your eyes.
When I first saw that this was open, the possibilities just started rolling through my head. I know Kevin was really excited about this.
Minutes ago, this was us creeping up the wall. Now it's a proper wall. Maybe we continue on with our initial project, although it seems really stupid now.
Once we took that off, it really opened the space up. There's endless possibilities with this. We're gonna start with framing it out in plywood.
Well, it's 3/4 inch ply. It's good, hefty. We can put our handholds on it and not worry about pulling this thing off the wall.
These are the T-nuts that you use to make a climbing wall. You just drill a hole on the back side of your ply. You have a whole bunch of T-nuts and a piece of wood, and then you have options for where you're gonna put your handholds.
I don't think we cover this up, man. We take that strapping down because it's such a nice color now, and it's got this weird.
you paint it.
It's got the no. We don't have. We can never paint anything as good as that looks. Looks like clouds and sky, man. Honestly,
You're in the clouds and the sky, my brother. He's looking at this hallway, and it's like, it's art. It's like there's little bits falling here and there. It's just perfect.
The shade of blue looks a lot like the sky, and where the paint is gone looks like clouds. And it's just this random pattern that you could never recreate.
Dude, look at this. You could never paint anything this good. It's like
It already
flaking.
looks cool. Some parts Junior wants to paint. I think we leave it.
I think there's something like very deep in his psyche, like he's seen this before, so I don't know.
I'm gonna fight to get that sky paint in.
As long as his artistic vision doesn't get in the way of the utility of this climbing wall, then I'm okay with it.
So Andrew and I went into production mode on the climbing holds and got a good system down. I've got a drill, I'm drilling them in. He's coming in and checking them and making sure.
They're actually going in fairly well. We both seem to be having a fair amount of success. It's going pretty quickly. Kevin said he was going to go get in touch with the clouds.
So I watched half of a video on the internet on how to paint clouds. I'm thinking now I should have watched the whole thing. Basically, the idea was start with a circle and then just brush that all out everywhere. Some clouds look like that. The guy wasn't painting plywood. It kind of gives a texture. Maybe it's a better thing. I'm not sure, but we'll see when Andrew laughs at me.
All he needs to do is dump some white paint on the blue board and it's going to be done. But apparently he's doing the Sistine Chapel or something.
This weekend, we converted our old ratty stairwell into a rock climbing staircase. Starting from the challenging section at the very bottom, we'll then have to traverse through some tough corners. But the real challenge lies above, a 17-foot vertical climb with a cowbell at the summit.
Doesn't look too dangerous. I'm just glad we don't have the auto belay. I did not like that thing at all. It's a lot different from the climbing gym. This is actually a little bit more scary. It looks pretty good, except for the view.
Yeah! We're able to go and climb right through.
This is fun.